northeast layout. Go to more, click layer off, then press enter, then copy object, then click architectural center line, click to northeast layout, click shortcut command is NEL, then enter text height, then enter precision, enter mode distance, then second mode distance, then enter number of northeast layout type 1, press enter, then select object. This is a type 1. If you want to change height, then press again same command, architectural center line, go to northeast layout, enter text height 0.12, press enter, enter, then enter layout type, press 1, then select object, automatically update text height. Northeast layout type 2, go to architectural, click center line, click to northeast layout, enter text height, then press your text height, precision, mode distance 1, mode distance 2, then northeast layout type 2, press enter, then select object. If you want to change height, same go to architectural center line, northeast layout, and enter text height type 2, then select object.